Unlock deeper market insights and pinpoint profitable trading opportunities by mastering the art of setting up indicators on Pocket Option. First, navigate to your trading chart. You'll see an Indicators button, usually found in the top menu bar near the chart type and timeframe selections. Click on it to reveal the indicator library. Pocket Option offers a comprehensive range of technical indicators organized into categories. Let's start with the classic moving averages. Hover over or click on Moving Average. A settings window will appear here. You can select the type of moving average, such as simple SMA or exponential EMA, and crucially, the period or time frame for the calculation. For example, a 14-period SMA can help smooth out price action. Once you've chosen your settings, click Apply. You'll immediately see the moving average line appear on your chart following the price action. Next, let's explore the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, a popular momentum oscillator. Click Indicators again and find RSI. The RSI typically has a default period of 14. You can adjust this for more or less sensitivity. Pay close attention to the overbought and oversold levels, usually set at 70 and 30 respectively. These levels can signal potential reversals. Apply the RSI and you'll see it displayed in a separate panel below your price chart, oscillating between 0 and 100. Finally, let's integrate the moving average convergence-divergence, or MACD. Select MACD from the indicator list. The MACD has three main inputs: the fast EMA, the slow EMA, and the signal EMA. Default values like 12, 26, and 9 are common starting points, but you can experiment to find what works best for your trading style and the asset you're analyzing. Apply the MACD, and you'll see its distinct histogram and moving average lines, which can reveal trend direction and momentum shifts. Experiment with different indicator combinations and settings to develop a robust trading strategy that suits your approach.